So the way today and tomorrow are going to work is the more you put in, the more you get out. So if you just sit here and copy everything down, this is an entire topic you are going to know nothing about. And you will get every test question wrong, and every time we talk about it, you'll feel silly because you don't know. It is completely 100% a choice. So you're going to have to put the effort in on this one. I cannot learn for you. You have to learn for yourself. So our first vocabulary word is complementary angles. Complementary angles equal 90 degrees. So that means this is a complementary angle. It's a right angle. So A plus 40 have to add up to equal 90. So then what would A have to be? That's right, A would equal 50 degrees. So then supplementary angles, that's our other vocabulary word, those add up to 180 degrees. And this one makes a corner. Complementary makes a corner, supplementary makes a straight line. So that means that B plus 110, if you add them together, is going to equal 180 degrees. That means B is equal to 70 degrees. And if you look, it's less than 90 because 90 would be straight up. So that looks about right. So it says write an equation and solve for x. So is this a complementary or supplementary picture? This is a supplementary angle. From here to here, the whole thing is equal to 180 degrees. So we can start with that. 180 equals 3x plus 54. Now you know how to solve equations. You're going to subtract first, rewrite the whole thing, divide by 3, don't trust me, double check me on that, I'm not sure if that's correct. So the angle from here to here, this angle, just this red part, that angle equals 126. But we are solving for x, so we had to find out what that x equals. So it's a little bit different. Like we took what we did a second ago and we just made it a little more difficult. So this says, find each angle measure, angle ABD, ABD, and angle EBC are congruent. Congruent means exactly the same. They're absolutely 100% equal. So what we're saying is this whole thing adds up to 180. X plus 120 plus y is going to equal 180. We know that x and y are equal. So go ahead and subtract 120 from both sides, because that's our first step when we solve. So we need a number that you can add to itself to equal 60. And you can double check this. 30 plus 120 plus 30 equals 180. All right, a couple of things you should know. You should know that if it's a straight line, it is 180 degrees. And if it is a triangle, it is also 180 degrees, because I can unfold a triangle to make a straight line. So this triangle here equals 180 degrees. And I have 70 degrees plus 2 x's. So go ahead and solve that. Tell me what x equals. And then if you look down here, it says to take the quiz in Schoology. Stop what you're doing. After you're finished with this, go take that. It's 3 questions, 3-question quiz in Schoology. If you cannot answer those questions, you need to go back and rewatch the video. If you still cannot answer those questions, you need to ask for a tutoring pass. Or maybe you just have a quick question. But it is your responsibility to make sure that you can answer those questions. And if I did not give you the information you need to demand it from somebody. Go to a teacher, go to a friend, get the information you need to answer those 3 questions.